Feeling a little lost after downloading Viber? You open the app, see a screen full of options, then all you want to do is send a simple message. We've all been there, that moment of hesitation with a new app when you just want to get to the good part, connecting with people. Well, in this video, I'm going to take you from total beginner to sending your first message in under 60 seconds, but we're not stopping there. Alright, let's start from square one. You've downloaded Viber and opened it up. First things first, it'll ask for your phone number is set up and verify your account with an SMS code. This is standard stuff for most messaging apps. Once you're verified, you'll be prompted to set up your profile with a name and a photo. Seriously, do this right away. It makes you instantly recognizable to your friends and family. Now you're looking at the main screen. It's pretty clean. At the bottom, you'll see two main tabs, Chats and Calls. We're going to be spending most of our time in the Chats tab. If this screen is empty when you first start, don't worry, that's perfectly normal. Your first mission, find someone to message. Viber makes this super easy by syncing with your phone's contacts. Tap the Chats button and you'll see an icon to start a new chat. It usually looks like a purple speech bubble. Or if you're on a new, updated version, you'll see the icon with a pencil on the top. Tap that and Viber will show you a list of all your phone contacts who are also on Viber. You'll see a little purple Viber icon next to their names so you know who's available. If you don't see the person you're looking for, it just means they either don't have Viber or aren't in your contacts. Add their number to your phone's contact list, and if they're a user, they'll pop up in your Viber contacts. Once you've found your friend, tap on their name to open the conversation window. This is your private space. Down at the bottom, you'll see Type a Message. Tap it, your keyboard appears, and you can type out a hello. To the right, you'll see a purple arrow. That's the send button. Tap it, and you've just sent your first Viber message. See? Easy. But let's be real. Who sends just plain text anymore? This is where Viber gets really fun. First up, stickers and GIFs. To the right of the message box, you'll see a sticker icon. Tapping this opens a massive library of expressions. Viber is legendary for its sticker game. You can browse packs, download new ones, and find the perfect sticker for any mood. You can also switch over to GIFs for endless animated reactions. Next, sharing photos and videos. Look for a plus or paperclip icon next to the message box. Tapping this lets you attach a photo from your gallery or take a new one right then and there. The same goes for videos. One of my favorite features is voice and video messages. Press and hold the microphone icon to record a quick voice message. Perfect for when you have too much to say for a text but don't feel like calling. Want to send a quick video clip instead? Just swipe from the microphone to switch to video mode. You can format your messages for emphasis. Using simple characters like asterisks for bold or underscores for italics works on both mobile and desktop. It's a small detail, but it makes your messages so much clearer. And what if you make a typo? No problem. Just long press your sent message and select Edit. You can also delete messages or forward them to other chats, which is a huge time saver. Let's cover a few advanced features to make your Viber experience even better. Tip 1. Secret Chats. Feeling a little cloak and dagger? If you need extra privacy, start a secret chat. These chats are end-to-end encrypted, have a self-destruct timer for messages, and even block screenshots on Android. On iOS, you'll get an alert if someone takes one. Once the timer's out, the message is gone for good. Tip 2. Differentiate groups and communities. So when do you create a group versus a community? Think of it this way. Groups are for smaller, private chats with up to 250 members, like friends or a small team. But if you need to broadcast to a huge audience, you want a community. Communities can have a virtually unlimited number of members, offer more admin controls, and are perfect for brands to share updates with a large following. Tip 3. Organize with folders. Is your chat list starting to look like a digital junk drawer? Time to organize. Viber lets you sort your chats into folders like friends, work, or family. Each folder even shows an unread message count, helping you stay on top of your conversations without the clutter. And there you have it. You've gone from zero to Viber hero, learning not just how to send a simple hello. From personal chats to full-scale marketing campaigns, you're now equipped to make the most of this app. I'm curious, what will you be using Viber for? Are you keeping in touch with family, or are you thinking about launching a business channel to connect with customers? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.